minutes, but I cooked them for, let's see how long, more like 50 minutes. And then you're supposed to add more salt, pepper, basil. I already put the basil in the salt. I didn't put that much pepper. Because I don't have my actual pepper. I had to use white ground pepper. And then you spread marinara on each one. And then Parmesan cheese. More Parmesan cheese on each one. It's supposed to be Parmesan and mozzarella, but I'm out of mozzarella, so I'm just going to do Parmesan. And then you broil it in the oven for 4 more minutes, and then it's done.